Drowning in receipts, delete claims, no clarity on spending.
Receipts, spreadsheets. It's never ending.
Spreadsheets out of control, wasting hours. Meet SpendEagle, your free Google Sheets expense tracker. Built for small businesses, startups, and teams who want clarity without cost. Step 1. Just copy the SpendEagle Google Sheet. Your setup starts in seconds. Step 2. Add your expenses. Simply type or paste from your bills. Step 3. Track your spending. AI categorizes everything for you and your dashboard is ready. Clear charts, instant clarity. Smart categorization, rated templates for retail, education, HoReCa, and personal. Customer reports whenever you need them. No coding, no subscriptions, just free financial clarity. SpendEagle, free forever. Start in just 3 clicks.